Good, beautiful afternoon, Sandra. Always good to see you. Missed you. Oh, yes, indeed. Feeling way too good, baby. Oh, yes, indeed. One of those days you just kind of have a nice, easy Sunday. Ooh, feeling it. Oh, yes, indeed. I know. I'm feeling that good spirit of our family community. Oh, yes. Oh, feeling it. Yes. How you doing today? Deborah, Thunderbird, Baby, Islamabad, Lahore, Pakistan. Oh, I feel so good today. Relaxed, carefree, footloose, fancy free. Yes, indeed. Tanya, thank you. Michelle Edmonds, love you all. Appreciate you all. Oh, we are shining today. Bang, bang. Oh, one big happy family community. Feeling that good warmth of the warm, beautiful summer day. So take care of yourself. You always know if you need a friend, you got me to the very end. Oh, I feel like dancing. Feel like having fun. So, Maria, love it. Appreciate you. Love you all. Take care of each other. Have a wonderful, beautiful afternoon. Hopefully you have something wonderful for dinner in my, yes, in the Thunder Bay. Bay, bay. Feeling way too damn good. So, it has been a wonderful, beautiful day, and I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful afternoon. No matter where you're at in this world, indeed, it is one big, happy family community. Bang, bang. Oh, I just can't help it. You know that? I love to dance. I love to have fun. Because guess what? Family community, bang, bang. Just be God. Take care. Have a lovely, beautiful afternoon. Shake it, don't fake it. And maybe we'll go to the beach. Maybe we'll just have a chillaxing day. Who knows? But all I can say is I love you all. Take care. Appreciate it.